Welcome to OFAR. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to disassemble this Radmanso bed frame from IKEA. I also have a tutorial on how to assemble this bed frame, which I'll leave a link in the description below, so after your move, you can easily put it back together. All you need for this disassembly is a Phillips screwdriver, some pliers, a 1/4 inch Allen key, a 1/8 inch Allen key, and a 3/16 inch Allen key. If you want to speed up the process, you can also use a drill with a Phillips or positive drive bit. So the first step is to simply take off both slatted bed bases. Then take off both metal supports by unscrewing these 4 screws. Just make sure to put all the screws and pieces in a plastic bag so you don't lose them in the move. Now you can disconnect the middle support beam like this. If you want, you can unscrew these 4 holders and take off the bed bracket, but it's not necessary. If you're interested, I'll show you how it's done in these next steps. Now if you want, you can unscrew these 4 screws that are holding the mounting plates in place. Next, you'll have to unscrew all 16 screws that are holding both rails. Again, if you want, you can unscrew the 4 holders that are attached to the rails. As a side note, make sure you have one hand supporting the rail when unscrewing to reduce potential damage. The whole process will look like this. Now you'll have to disconnect all 4 corner braces like this. Next, go to your footboard with your 1/4" Allen key and unscrew these 2 wheel locks with alternating half turns. Then go to the other corner and do the same thing. Now disconnect the footboard as shown. Next, grab some pliers and carefully take these 4 wheel locks out. Then pull out any exposed dowels. Now unscrew these 4 bed bolts with your hand. And if you want, you can take these legs off, but it's not necessary. You'll need to unscrew these 8 screws if you decide to do so. Next, go to this corner with your 1/4" Allen key and unscrew these 2 wheel locks with alternating half turns. Then separate the sideboard from the lower part of the headboard like this. Now take out both wheel locks and any exposed dowels with your pliers. Also, unscrew these two bed bolts with your hand. Next, go to the last corner and repeat the same steps you just did. The whole process will look like this. Now you can disassemble the headboard, but again, it's not necessary. If you want to disassemble the headboard, flip the headboard over and unscrew these 6 screws with your 1/8 inch Allen key. This will disconnect the top section of the headboard. Then grab the same Allen key and disconnect this leg piece by unscrewing these 2 screws. If the nut sleeves don't want to come out in the front, grab your 3/16 inch Allen key and unscrew the nut sleeves. Now go to the other leg piece and repeat the same step. Then grab the 1/8 inch Allen key and unscrew these 2 screws that are holding this middle headboard support in place. So now you're done with disassembling the Radmanso bed frame from IKEA. Again, if you want to reassemble the frame, I'll leave a link in the description below. Hopefully this tutorial helped you out.